guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to prepare some chicken Szechuan fried rice. So well, this is my version and this is how I like to make it, and I'm going to share the recipe with you all guys. So let's get started. First we'll try to prepare all the ingredients. So first I will take some vinegar. This is about 1.5 tablespoon, and I add some finely chopped green chilies to it. I've taken about 3 green chilies. Now I'll be adding some soya sauce. And I'll mix this mixture. You can take about 2 teaspoons of soya sauce and mix this well. So let the chilies soak in the vinegar and soya sauce while we prepare rest of the ingredients. So well, I'll be coarsely pounding the ingredients. So well, this is my secret ingredient which I use in my Szechuan fried rice, and it gives a really good flavor. If you do try this out, you'll really enjoy this. So let's proceed to pound this coarsely. So yeah, I have coarsely pounded the spices, and by adding this to the fried rice will give you a really good flavor. So now I'll show you all how to prepare the Szechuan sauce. You can also use a ready-made one, and for this I'll be using some ready-made chili sauce available in the store. You can also soak the chilies in hot water for about 40 minutes to 1 hour, and you can grind it and use it as a paste. So you can either alternate whichever one you have available. So now I'll take a small pan and heat some oil in it. Now I'll be adding ginger, which I've finely chopped, and some garlic. And let this saute for a minute. Fry this until it's nice golden brown, and till the raw smell of the ginger garlic is not gone away. To this I'll be adding some spring onion just for flavor. And now I'll be adding my chili sauce. And mix this all well. To this I'll be adding some soy sauce. At this point you can add some chili powder or chili flakes. I'll be adding some salt as per taste. As you can see, the sauce is now thickening up. You want your Szechuan sauce to be thick or a little bit runny, that's your choice. My sauce is nice thick enough and it's ready to be used for my Szechuan fried rice. So let's move to the next step of making the actual fried rice. I've taken a big wok and I'll add in some oil. Add some generous amount of oil, because right now we'll be frying all the ingredients. First I'll proceed to fry the egg. I've taken 3 eggs, added some salt, and I've beaten the eggs. Now it's time to add the egg. Keep stirring it. The egg is done, and now I'll remove it in a plate. So we'll be using the same pan or wok for frying the rest of the ingredients, and you'll be making the fried rice in the same vessel. I'll add in some more oil, and I'll be using some capsicum. Now you can use carrots or French beans or whatever veggies you like, whatever you want to add in your fried rice, you can use that. I'm using 3 types of capsicum only, and some spring onion. Let's add this to the pan. I'll add the bottom part of the spring onion. So the basic idea is to just saute the veggies and not to overcook them or something, because it won't taste good if it's mushy. So while the veggies are getting sauteed, I have already shredded some chicken. I boiled the chicken and shredded. I've already parboiled some rice and kept it in the fridge, because keeping the rice in the fridge will give you best results for your fried rice, and it will not be sticky. Leftover rice sauce is the best option for fried rice. That's what the Chinese people usually use. So I hope I'm not disappointing Uncle Roger. Our veggies are now sauteed and I'll remove this in a plate. Now the final step, I'll be making the fried rice. So now I'll be adding some more oil. I'll be adding some chopped ginger and garlic. Fry this well until it's golden brown and the raw smell is not gone away. It's nice golden brown now. I'll be adding my mixture of vinegar, soya sauce and green chilies. I'll saute this well for about a minute. You can see that the soya sauce and vinegar is now reducing. At this point, I'll be adding my Szechuan sauce. Then I'll be adding the coarsely pounded spices. Now I'll be adding my chicken. The veggies and egg. And now I'll be adding the rice. I've used about 2 cups of rice for this. Now I'll be adding some salt as per taste, some oyster sauce. You can use a fish sauce as well. The rest of the Szechuan sauce. And now I'll mix it thoroughly. Garnish it with some spring onion and let it cook for about 5 minutes with the steam. So let's check it out, guys. I'll just give it a quick stir. So it gets evenly cooked. Fried rice is now done, and I hope you enjoyed watching the video, guys. So if you did like the recipe, please do subscribe to our channel and show us your love. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. So I'll see you next time, guys.